Guys, I'm mad. When game reset, I know that I was like there before, but I reset like as another time, like just reset to further back. Don't know why. But I hope it doesn't glitch, or else like I'm gonna be mad. Come on. Right, can I do it from here? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Right, here would be. Okay, wait a minute. Right, come on, don't mess this up, child. You're not a child, you're just a man that got stuck in a cauldron. Pretty childish. No! Oh my god. He really does need help. Okay. Right, I can just simply do this, can't I? Grab on. Not fling myself too far. Drop. That's a bit better. I didn't really mean to drop down further. But I'm here. Right. I hope I don't. This bit is mostly about the swinging, I think. Yeah, that's right. Oh, my sound's off, isn't it? No, I just need to put it up. Oh, you can't hear that, can you? Because of the recorder being dumb. Right. No. Right, I'm gonna try to do it from here. Oh, yes, up we go. From here. This game, though, like, it's horrible. Like, really horrible. Right. I do not know what happened. It glitched, and so did my recorder. Right. This game hates me so much. It's gonna die. How does that make sense? This game hates me so much, it's gonna die. Yes. Don't you dare glitch. I would probably be hitting other things if that wasn't there. Right. No. God damn it. No, I just can't play this game anymore. No. Shut up, game. Stop it. Stop. Stop, you dumbass game. Just stop. Yeah, oh my flipping god. Shows how weak I am. Right, right. It's glitching again. God damn it. Okay. Can I actually just do it like this? Ooh. Oh my god, I could have did that the whole entire time. That's really frustrating. That's really frustrating. Knowing that I could have made it easier just by... Right, yeah. Well, simple. No. Flip off. No. It's too sensitive when I put the sensitivity down. Right. Right, yes. Simple math. I hate math. Yeah. Now we can go up onto this one. Actually, you're supposed to fling yourself from this one, but I don't care. I'm gonna go down onto this bit. Gonna fling. Jesus. Right. Gonna go along here. Drop myself about there. Gonna go like this. Gonna jump. I'm gonna catch the top bit. Yes. Gonna go here. Gonna use this. Launch myself. Yes. Gonna wait for myself to slide down, which doesn't happen. I'm gonna jump. No. That's not what I wanted. I wanted to jump. Jump. Not fall. Not fall. Oh, jeez. Took me a while to get up here, you know? If I fall, like, actual, like, real fall, like, down back to the bottom, I'm gonna be so hurt. No! Right. This game. This video's over for 15 minutes now. It has to be. Makes me mad. Right. Don't care if I don't get views. I just need this game to be done with. No. 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 If I had fallen even more there, I would be so like... Jesus. I think I've got an idea. This game is a lot easier than touch device. Although it's not.
No rainbow had the eyes for tears. John Vance.
me whip. Watch me nay. Whip, whip. Sorry, it's just how I whip nay. Jesus Christ, this game will drive me mad. Come on, what's this hammer made of? Hammer? What's this even? What's this axe made of? Jesus! This game! I hate it. I actually hate it. I know I don't need to do this, but I just want to because... Flipping time, just do it already. I'm just like, I think I'm too careful on this now. Okay, yeah, you've got it. Come on. Let's get back up to that bit. That bit makes me feel happy because I can't fall. Not this bit. Once I get over this shed. No. Yes. Simple. Now all we need to do is fly. That'll be easy. Okay. Right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like sensitive. I'm not gonna say it's glitchy because that would probably be counted as an excuse. No. 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 I was there. Just don't, like... I mean, this is like the bit where I just always get stuck just because it's... Dumb game. Okay. Thank God I didn't fall.
The pain I feel now is the happiness I had before. That's the deal. C.S. Lewis.
C.S. Lewis? Who the hell is this? Does he just pay the money to say that? Because I've never heard of that guy before. Yeah, simple. Come on, cuz. Come on. Right. So, I'm just gonna put my axe here. Oh, yes! Oh my god, it happened. Oh my gosh. No! No! Oh my gosh, guys. Right.
Hello.
Right. No. I'm getting tired of this game abusing my mental, brain.